Hi, my name is Henk and I'm a tour guide of A Guide to Leeuwarden, and we offer walking tours in Leeuwarden in 3 different languages, in Dutch, English and German, and I've been doing that since 2013. Yeah, so we've been offering free walking tours in Leeuwarden, and free walking tours are offered in every big city in the world. Leeuwarden maybe not be a big city, but it's a nice city, so I offered them here as well. And free tours are tours where you don't have to pay anything up front. At the end of the tour you can decide for yourself what you think the tour was worth. So if you have a really bad guide, you can just walk away. But if it's really nice, you can just continue and then you pay what you think it's worth and what is in your budget. We have different tours. We have a general tour about Leeuwarden, then we tell a little bit about the history, but also about street art, about nice cultural things, about famous people from Leeuwarden. But we also have separate tours, a separate street art tour. Every last Sunday of the month we show the best street art in town. They are offered every Tuesday till Saturday, every day in Dutch, but then on Saturday there's also an English one and a German one. If you want to join the tours, you can just go to a website. It's called www.aguidetoleeuwarden.nl, and there you can sign up for any tour you want. Everybody's welcome on the tours. We have a really broad audience. People from 20 to 90 join our tours and everything in between. Because I think a good story is good and fun for people who are 20, but also for people who are 80. And so it's always a really nice mixture on the tours of different ages. Every tour takes about 1.5 hours. And that's a really good time, because then you can show something of the city, you can tell some stories, but then it's also over before you know it, and then you think, okay, I want to hear more, but then it's over. It's a better way to end than think, okay, this is way too long. I don't really have a favorite moment on the tours, but to me it's always good if I tell stories, and most stories end with a laugh. So if people laugh at the end, that makes a good story and that's a good tour. So if people engage and they have a good time, they laugh, they engage with each other, then I think I had a good tour. So if you want to join on one of our tours, you can have a look on our website, aguidetoleeuwarden.nl, and sign up with the best introduction to the town.